How to uninstall the Klarna app. If you're trying to uninstall the Klarna app, this video is for you. Please follow the steps that are mentioned. Once unlocked, search for the Klarna app. When you find the Klarna app, press and hold it for a few seconds. Then a menu will pop up. Click on Remove App, just like this. And then again, a menu will pop up giving you three options: Delete app, remove from home screen, and cancel. If you select remove from home screen, it will only remove the app from the home screen. So you have to click on delete app, just like this. Again, a confirmation window will pop up. You have to click on delete. It will permanently delete the app from your device. You can also reinstall the app from the App Store. And that's how you know how to delete Klarna app from your phone. Get ready to free up some extra space from your iPhone. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.